This is Silvermist. It's like she just woke up. Huh, did you yawn? Good morning. The rattle's popular. Try the rattle. She's just so complacent. Oh, little girl. Rattle that next to your left hand, that rattle. That always gets them going. She went to investigate.
Come here.
Her tail, she's like, I don't know what that is, but I'm kind of excited. Always go off the tail. If the tail's high, then they're not afraid. If it tucks below, then they're scared.
Oh,
That's very sweet.
Frank.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I hate this job. Come here, Frank.
Go, Frank.
Frank, come. Good boy, Frank.
She's dog friendly. Her tail's going. She's pawing at him. No, she picked up a toy.
Come here.
Now we're starting to get her a little more playful. It's just chewing on his butt.
Oh.
Frank says, not on me. You can be next to me, but not on me. Is she biting you?
Yeah.
All right, that's Miss Silvermist.